When is it safe to connect a generator to a grid? How can synchronization conditions be verified? What happens when they aren't? Two add-on packages extend TP1410 from isolated machine operation to the controlled, observable connection of a generator to an AC power network. Learners study manual generator synchronization methods to connect a generator to an AC grid, gaining skills to ensure system stability, prevent mechanical stress, and maintain reliable power delivery. The first package combines lamp indicators with multimeter measurements. Learners assess voltage, frequency, phase sequence, and phase relationships to build a basic understanding of synchronization. The second package features digital instruments and a synchroscope. Learners monitor phase angle and frequency differences in real time to identify the precise moment for synchronization. The result? Safe and informed generator connections.